Airtable is powerful, but it has a limit. When your team and operations grow, your data grows faster. And suddenly, that powerful, flexible base soon becomes your bottleneck. What used to be fast is fragile, and what used to be clean is now patched together. Airtable's HyperDB is how you scale without rebuilding. Hey there, I'm Alex Knowles from automationhelpers.com, and we help businesses like yours adopt software, build systems, and automate the busy work that slows you down. Today, we want to share something that helps you scale with Airtable, HyperDB or HyperDatabase. If Airtable's record limits are slowing you down, bloated bases, sluggish load times, constant cleanup, HyperDB gives you the backend power to scale without recreating your stack. HyperDB is Airtable's answer to scalability. We all feel the pinch when a platform we're using has limitations, and unfortunately for Airtable, that comes down to its record limits. When we take a look at Airtable's limits through the pricing page, we can see where those limits start to bite. Now, each plan comes with a cap on the number of records per base, as well as the attachment storage and sync frequency. On business, you get 50,000 records. Team, that only bumps up to 125,000. And then even on the enterprise plan, your limit is 500,000 records per base. And that's 250,000 records per table. Now, that sounds like a lot, but you're managing product data, user events, support logs, or integrations across multiple departments and teams, you'll hit that ceiling fast. There's no escaping it. And once you're there, well, what? You're stuck micromanaging your base just to keep it running, and you're archiving, splitting, duplicating, and filtering anything just to avoid tipping it over the edge and ruining your system. So that's where Airtable's HyperDB comes in to save the day. It's Airtable's super database, large database, or hyper database, and it's designed to manage larger data sets without overwhelming or overloading your base. So instead of cramming everything into one Airtable base, you can now store and manage your data in external systems, like your own cloud storage, and sync in only the data you actually need. So your bases stay light, fast, and flexible, even if you have a data set within the millions. With HyperDB, you get a new enterprise-level storage layer that lets you hold massive data sets by storing that data outside of your base, outside of Airtable, yet making it queryable and usable inside Airtable. It's designed for workflows that depend on data sets much larger than the usual you'll see within a table or base. Unlike a normal table, which lives inside a base and is subject to the built-in record limits, a HyperDB table lives in a storage layer and can be populated either from imports or connected through external systems. Now, once a HyperDB base exists and a data set has been published from it, Airtable builders or you and your team have multiple ways that you can access that data, that information. You can sync in filtered slices or link records on demand, and this is all without bloating your base. It's still Airtable, the same views, the same automations, the same workflows, but now with the power to handle serious data without slowing you down. So this means if you're an ops team, you can manage huge inventories or custom records without split bases. Business users can work with live data from across the company, not needing to export or wait time. And automations run far clearer because your base stays light. So whether you're managing thousands of SKUs, you're linking live customer records, or you're powering through automations, HyperDB keeps everything running smoothly without rebuilding your stack from scratch. And you control what comes in through filtered syncs, like only active customers or last 30 days of orders. You can also fetch records on demand, pulling in only what's needed when it's needed. And with published data sets, you create one source of truth that powers multiple bases. Clean, consistent, and always up to date. Now, we also need to consider the fact that most teams struggle because their data lives in silos. Well, with the introduction of Airtable HyperDB to your workflows, then you have that one source of truth and things don't get messy via duct taping tools together. If your data lives in spreadsheets, other tools, and systems that simply don't talk to each other, you jump between Airtable to Stripe to HubSpot, trying to pull in together an answer that just should take seconds. This is another way that HyperDB changes the game for you and your team. Instead of exporting, syncing, importing, building, well, no, you just get to view your data as it is, bringing it in directly from HyperDB as the source of truth. So you can ask one smart question and get a clear real-time answer. You don't need to be a developer, and your data doesn't need to live in a data warehouse. Just one interface that brings everything together. So not only is it saving you from record limits, but if you're working across multiple tools and want to bring it all together, well, HyperDB could be your savior. So let's be clear here. HyperDB isn't just a storage upgrade for your Airtable base. It's a better way to work with larger data sets without breaking or overloading Airtable. Now, the number of records you can have is 100 million to be exact. And the smart part here is you don't just dump all that data into Airtable. You publish a data set, basically a filtered down or scoped version of the bigger table, the full data set. From there, you've got two options. The first, on-demand sync. The second, filtered sync. The on-demand sync is super lean. The table starts empty and only brings in records as you link them. So if you've got millions of user records or SKUs, you're not syncing them all, just the ones you actually need. Let's say you just want to work on a particular customer. You're linking a support ticket from that customer. Boom, just that data comes through. The filtered sync is when you know what slice of data you want ahead of time, like orders from the last 30 days or active US customers. You set those filters and Airtable pulls in just that subset, clean, controlled, and stays in sync when the source updates. Both options are fast, both options are clean, and both options are working with the same data set. But the best part, you're working with serious data without feeling like you're managing a warehouse. If Airtable's limits are starting to hold you back, HyperDB gives you the freedom to scale without switching tools or rebuilding from scratch. And if you're unsure how this fits into your setup, we've helped hundreds of teams scale with Airtable, and we're always up for a chat. So book a free consultation with our experts today by heading to automationhelpers.com or clicking the link in the description below.